Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you crochet Easter pattern ideas. Have fun and try this crochet bunny plushie pattern. It's fun and easy to follow, and there's a guide to help you create this adorable bunny plushie perfect for gifts. Another cute crochet Easter pattern I just finished is the crochet bunny rabbit coaster, perfect for your table and your drinks, and it adds a nice touch to the Easter holiday. If you're looking for an easy and quick pattern, then you need to try this crochet mini basket, and it's great for little candies and jelly beans, perfect for kids and beginners. Also, you can try this crochet bunny applique. It's a charming way to add a cute touch to your Easter projects, great for decorating blankets and clothing and gift bags. Here's another mini crochet treat basket, and this is great for handmade treats, adding it to gifts, and it's perfect for any occasion. If you're looking for a crochet Easter egg pattern, then this is perfect for you because it's beginner friendly, and this is perfect for baskets and great for Easter. You can also try this crochet baby chicken pattern. It's so cute and adorable for Easter. Get ready for Easter with these crochet Easter bunnies. You can make them in any different color, and also it does come with a video. This crochet Easter bunny looks so realistic, and I love how it looks with different colors, and it's perfect for Easter as well. Who doesn't love Easter peeps during the holiday? I made these with velvet yarn, but you can make them with any type of yarn, and it does come with a video. They turned out so cute. Try this crochet Easter kitty pattern. It's playful and festive, perfect for the crochet Easter holiday. This crochet egg is so cute, and it makes it more special because it is a bunny. It does come with a video, perfect for the holidays. If you're looking for a crochet bunny basket, then this is perfect for you. Great for Easter, great for your kiddos. Here's another Easter bunny basket. This one comes with a video, and it's perfect for Easter and eggs. And if you're still looking for another basket, here is a simple yet really cute Easter basket for the holidays. And if you're looking for a bigger type of peep, then this crochet peep is perfect for you. This is great with the thicker yarn, perfect for the holidays. Here's another crochet basket that's a little bit bigger, and it comes with a free pattern. If you're looking for more crochet Easter patterns, then click on this and it'll take you right there. And I'm going to link all of these patterns down below. Here is another post with crochet bunnies. So if you'd like to make a crochet rabbit, then go to the link that says the bunny rabbits, and it will take you to all of these adorable patterns. They are so cute. Most of them are beginner friendly, and some do come with videos, and all of those links you can find down below. These are so adorable with the big fluffy ears, made with many different colors and hook sizes. Just follow the pattern, and you will be all set for the Easter crochet holiday. I hope you found these so cute, and if you're not already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.